How to check size of video on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The iPhone Photos app is a built-in application that serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. From this page, open any video you want. Go to the bottom panel and tap on the Details icon in the middle. You can view all the video information and details over here. As you can see, you can also view the size of the video as shown. You can repeat this to check the size of all the photos and videos you have on your device. Following these steps, you can easily check size of video on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.